In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data into monday.com. If you're looking to streamline your workflow by centralizing all of your tasks, projects, or even your spreadsheets, you're in the right place. Today, we'll go through the process step by step, ensuring you can efficiently bring in information from external sources into your monday.com workspace. Let's start by navigating your way to monday.com's homepage. Make sure you're logged into your account, and this will be your starting point. Once there, you'll locate your profile icon, which is typically found at the top right corner of the homepage. Go ahead and give that icon a click. Next, you'll see an option labeled Import Data. Selecting this will guide you to a new window where you'll see all the different sources from which monday.com can pull in data. This is where the flexibility of the system really shines, enabling you to draw in data from several types of files or software you might already be using. First off, if you have an Excel sheet that contains the data you wish to import, select the Excel sheet option. This is pretty straightforward, and monday.com does a great job of guiding you through the process of mapping fields to ensure your data is accurately reflected. For users of Google Sheets, you haven't been left out. There's a specific Google Sheets option in the menu. Clicking this will allow you to authenticate your Google account and select the desired sheet. This flexibility helps manage data flow efficiently, especially if your team collaborates on Google Workspace. If you've been managing projects on Trello, monday.com makes it convenient to import this data too. Simply choose Trello board. Here, you'll be prompted to connect your Trello account, letting monday.com populate your workspace with your Trello data, so nothing gets lost in translation as you switch platforms. The system also caters to teams that might be transitioning from Asana, another popular project management tool. By clicking the Asana project option, you initiate the import process to bring your existing Asana tasks and projects directly into monday.com. Likewise, for those using Basecamp, selecting Basecamp project will kickstart the import process, ensuring your project data transitions smoothly. If your team uses Meta ad accounts for managing online ads, you can bring this data into monday.com by choosing Meta ad account. This integration ensures you have all your ad performance data in one centralized location. The customer support focused teams that use Zendesk will find the Zendesk tickets import functionality particularly useful. By integrating, you can manage customer queries and support tickets alongside your project tasks. For software development teams, monday.com accommodates Jira users too. Simply click on Jira Project and select or authenticate your Jira account. There's also an option for Jira Server, catering to those using Jira's server-based application. And that's it! By covering these options, monday.com truly positions itself as a versatile platform, ensuring whatever systems or software your team currently uses can be successfully integrated without hassle. This simplicity and flexibility allow you to work more efficiently, keeping everyone on the same page, all from within the monday.com ecosystem.